Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing both devices so the update can resume without interruption. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and has Bluetooth enabled for the transfer. Place your Apple Watch on its charger and confirm the battery level shows at least 50%. Keep the watch and iPhone within 3 feet of each other to maintain a stable connection. Close background apps on the iPhone and avoid heavy downloads that might slow the Wi-Fi speed. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap General, then Software Update to check status. If the update shows paused, tap Resume or Install Now on the iPhone to restart the transfer. Keep both devices close and avoid moving them while the update downloads and prepares. If the update does not resume, restart the Apple Watch and iPhone, then reopen the Watch app and try again. Wait patiently through the preparation stage, which can take 15 to 20 minutes sometimes. If the update repeatedly fails, free storage by removing apps or music and aim for at least 1 GB available. Remove any beta software profiles from settings if present, because they can block official updates. Try unpairing the watch from the iPhone and then re-pairing it to trigger a fresh update attempt. Reset network settings on the iPhone as a last resort, then reconnect to Wi-Fi. Contact Apple support if problems persist after these steps to get guided assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.